Hello everyone, I am Yvonne Pearl Taganile, a freelancer from Philippines. Just like anyone, I am new to freelancing. And since I gave it a try 6 months ago, I am grateful to have the experience with the Truelancer. In the past, I was always been skeptical about doing online jobs, but my eagerness to help raise funds for a family member with stage 3 cancer moved me to give it a try, and I was glad that I did. I have a degree in electronics engineering and been working in the electronics manufacturing industry for more than 13 years. I am skilled in the field of failure analysis, technical and investigative reporting, process and document control, as well as academic writing. At work, I paid attention to details, and I love reading and writing. In the past 6 months, my freelance journey was a very pleasant experience. I learned a lot from the people whom I have been working with. Another thing that I like with freelancing was I have overall control of the job because I can work within my comfort zone and there are only two persons involved in the process, the employer and the freelancer. In freelancing, there were so many opportunities waiting to explore and learn. This is what I wanted for experts to know and encourage giving freelancing a try. As long as you work with legitimate freelance platform like a Truelancer, you can never be at loss. Also, your reputation is very important as you build your career. So even if you have the skills to do the job, you must maintain commitment and good relationship with the people you are working with. Freelancing is a career that is building trust, skills, and relationship. My favorite quote for work is what Carlton Fisk said. It is not what you achieve, it's what you overcome. That's what defines your career. A career is not limited to the price of success, but most importantly are the lessons you learn to make it work successfully. I strongly recommend Truelancer for those who wanted to try freelancing, especially to those who are new to online jobs. The platform is very user-friendly and you're confident to get decent jobs from honest employers as long as you stick to the rules for your own protection. I think that's all I can say for now. And again, thank you very much for the opportunities and thank you for welcoming me to Truelancer. Mabuhay!